Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer files, photos and videos between Android and iPhones. Whether you are switching phones or just need to share files quickly, I have got you covered. Stick around and I will walk you through some of the best, most efficient methods to get this done in just a few steps. So let's dive in it. So take your iPhone and go to your Safari browser. Open Safari browser and type here snapdrop.net. As you can see, I am writing here. So after doing this, take your Android phone and go to your Google section. Open Google section and type the same. Okay, snap.net. As you can see, there are two phones. One is iPhone and the second is Android phone, and both are connecting with the same app, that is snap.net. So as you can see, here are three options: photo library, take photos, videos and choose files. You have to select someone. I am selecting here photos and trying my photos files to the Android phones. So select a photo from the library. Okay, I select this one and then click on add. As you can see, it is showing that the someone having iPhone want to send a file to the Android phone. If you want to have it, so click on the save. As you can see, here is showing picture has downloaded and the open. As you can see, I have received from the iPhone and it is showing on my Android phone. So now let's try to send data from the Android phone to iPhone. So click on the this icon, this app icon, and for this I will take a fresh photo to send iPhone. So I will take a fresh photo here. Okay, I have taken a fresh photo and then I will send from Android phone to iPhone from this file. As you can see, it is showing a new photo that I have received from the Android phone. So I will click on save and then download. After downloading, you will see it is here in this download options. You have to click here, and here is an option of downloads. Click on downloads and you will see here the photos that I have received from the Android phone. As you can see, it is working and a fast transfer file system between iPhone and Android phone. You can see it, you can send photo libraries and files, and you can take fresh photos, and from Android you can see fresh photos, coordinator, recorder and the files. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is it. Now you know the fastest and easiest ways to transfer files between Android and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't